lay down. So we knew that they were going to mount a fight back, and we kept talking to our players about it during the break and during half timeouts. When they were making a run, we kept telling the players to just relax, stay calm. And we had some really good looks in that stretch. Calvin had a couple of wide open threes, Roger, Jordan, we missed a couple of layups, and that's what happens. Against a team like San Miguel, when you give them an inch of opportunity, they're going to pounce on it. So they up their defensive pressure. Chris Ross is a one-man pressing machine, and we knew he was going to be a huge factor. And we're correct, we were right. Chris Ross almost single-handedly brought his team back. But good enough to get our composure in there.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, our natin, 100% yung hamstring mo. Pero ano nakatulong sa pag-power through, especially in that fourth quarter where he was just limited to 14 points?
Siguro yung willingness to win lang talaga. Hindi kami sumusuko. Siguro yun yung nagbigay ng kumpiyansa sa amin. Kahit alam naman natin, since walang dami na nagkakaanan, kaya pa ba kami susuko. So, yun lang talaga yung nasa isip namin palagi.
Thank you, RR. We would like to open the floor to friends from the press.
Congratulations on getting League One. Coach, yung last minute, there was black belt mo ako later on naralin tayo because of the review. Ako pinukompare ni Sid and just your position thoughts and then it was the first.
Well, just when it happened, we were already saying that it looked like offensive interference. So good thing that there was a break on that jump ball that they were able to review it, and we're very fortunate that that was reversed. Could have been a very different story if not. So that's part of our game. I know I've been on the opposite side of those breaks in the past, so it's just something that we are very fortunate and we're able to take advantage of.
What's happening? Obviously, losing a big lead with the main topic was putting break before Wednesday's game.
Yes, again, we're trying to make do managing minutes of so many players, Kelly and Roger, that we knew that we could be, if it's getting close in the end, that we're going to be at a huge disadvantage because of the depth of San Miguel. So ang usapan lang namin, let's just rely on each other, hang on as much as we can, and find a way to win in the end.
Coach, yung first half mo, grabe yung shooting nyo. In a way ba, you expected na fun sa ating shooting picture for kasi we're inspiring na
That's what you call the law of averages, right? But still, when our shots were not going in, but they were good looks. And that's what we say on our team. As long as we get good looks, we can live with that. What we could not live with were our turnovers. That's what fueled their run. It's they got 20 points of turnovers from us. It's a huge difference. They got 20 points. Can you imagine if we just had cut that in half? Hindi na sana titigil. But that's what we have to address really is our turnovers, because they still had a lot of legs and wind to still put pressure even until the fourth quarter. And kami, hindi na kami masyadong ganun kalakas because like I said, because of all the injuries that we're trying to manage.
Also, gusto yung mga case before game 1, ano pa ba na iyan ka ng maglaro?
Sa totoo lang, hindi pa ako nakasali ng 5-on-5 talaga. Because nagtakbo-takbo lang ako. Tapos yung last laro ko talaga, nung game 2 pa ng series. Tapos sabi ko, pag pinasok ako, titira lang pumasok. So, ganoon talaga, sa basketball player, ganoon naman talaga eh. Pag palarin ka, laro ka. Ganoon.
What's up, you started playing Williams after this break series? People about feeling the best role that wanted to start in right away.
Yeah, because we took a look at practice yesterday. He was able to join the practice, looked good, and I asked him, he he said he was ready just for short minutes. And we like to start him because he's a good matchup for Junmar. Again, let's hope that his ankle doesn't swell up too much so that he can continue giving us minutes. He played 27 minutes, Roger 18 minutes. So hopefully we can increase those minutes as the series goes on. But real testament to the courage of these two guys, Roger and Kelly, just being ready, play through their injuries.
That's also for post-game press conference. Thank you. Congratulations.